Leaders of APC for Edo don't hold meeting for Edo to plan ahead of 2023 general election, as Victor Giadon don't openly apologize to Adams Oshiomole. This story they come to you from the studios of TMC TV and radio. My name na Aluke Ajakaye. Leaders of All Progressives Congress for Edo State don't hold meeting on Monday for Benin City ahead of 2023 general election. This meeting will bring together APC leaders for the three different senatorial districts for Edo State, not to chook mouth for important party issues, reconcile members and leaders with the vex, and constantly plan and strategize ahead of campaign and 2023 general election. After they finish the meeting when Shele behind closed doors, some of the leaders come yarn to the people waiting up for the meeting. Victor Giadon, will be Vice Chairmo for APC South-South, talked at this meeting to plan ahead of campaign and make sure say all APC candidates do well for the 2023 general election.
The family of the All Progressive Congress in Edo State, talking about the leadership of the party in Edo State, met to discuss, among other things, the unity of the party and also strategy to reposition our party for success in 2023. This meeting was to reawaken our people to the fact that on the 28th of September, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, will lift ban on electionary campaign, and therefore it beholds all of us as a party to put our house together and work towards the victory of our party, the victory of our presidential candidate, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the victory of our 3 senatorial seats in Edo State, the victory of our 14 House of Representative seats, and that of the House of Assembly. So we are here as a family to speak among ourselves, find solution to our common challenges, and reposition the party towards victory in 2023. And I have a clear commitment from the leader of the party in this state, my boss, my former boss, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, the chairman of the party in Edo State, and other leaders of the party, that our party will cruise to victory in 2023. So looking at the health of the party in this state, we are very satisfied. We are convinced that we are on track. We are reassured that we are going to reclaim back our state from the PDP, and then at the end of the day we will deliver good governance back to Edo State and to the south-south zone of this country.
Former governor of Edo State, who continues to be former chairman for APC and current senatorial candidate of APC for Edo North Senatorial District, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, call here to the people say the last election when Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi get the ticket for PDP, APC defeat them. And now when them dey different political parties, APC go still defeat them. Comrade Adams Oshiomhole constitute mouth for the matter for Edo State House of Assembly when them never see swear in 14 of the APC lawmakers. He come describe this one as humiliation to APC.
Don't forget that just 4 years ago, we have a combined ticket of His Excellency Abubakar Atiku and His Excellency Peter Obi. Those two were on the same ticket, and yet, in unity, together, we defeated them. Now they are divided. Do you really need a political scientist to tell you that what a united ticket could achieve, that divided, they will achieve it? I mean, it's so certain. But we are happy that they are choosing to split their ticket. Like I said somewhere in the television, I said, what is new? Obi was vice to Atiku. There must be something they have in common. And together, they were disobeyed by the electorate. Now, divided, they will be massively humiliated on election day. Civilized manner, no violence, no cheating, one man, one vote. The other thing that the chairman forgot is that we in Edo State feel betrayed that our people voted for 24 members of Edo State House of Assembly 4 years ago. And we are the governing party in Abuja at the federal level. and 14 of our members are not sitting. So laws are being made, if they are laws, by a minority of 10 out of 24. So in unison, we have conveyed to the South-South Vice Chairman to convey to the National Chairman that it is not just humiliation for the 14 people who have not been sworn in. I think it's a dent on the image of our party. And don't forget that the National Assembly, the two chambers, Senate and Rep, sent a mission to Edo to verify the facts, and they were satisfied that the non-swearing in of these people was unlawful. And yet, as a governing party, this has remained the case. That, for me, is not a shame to all of them, to the people. I think it's an issue.
Comrade Oshiomhole talk say the party dey united and dem don settle most of their differences and dem dey happy with the current leadership of the party.
We now have a new national leadership of the party, chaired by a former senator, a former governor. And as a senator, he knows the rule of the parliament. So in Edo now, we don't have a parliament. So all those have been conveyed to the South-South Vice Chairman, National Vice Chairman, who by implication is the chairman of the South-South. And he has agreed, since he has the facts, that he will convey this and push whatever he can do to ensure that these issues are resolved.
Colonel David Imuse, wey be APC Chairmo for Edo State, talk say dem ready to work with Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, wey be presidential candidate for APC, and dem know say Tinubu na fit take Nigeria to the next level.
You know, Tinubu is our candidate. He's a transformational leader. He's a man who knows how to identify talent. He knows how to nurture talent and position them. We have no doubt in our mind, with his pedigree, we will take this country to greater height. And I don't have resolve to vote massively for Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
The ogbonge people for APC went tanda for the meeting. Na former governor of Edo State and former national chairmo for the party, Comrade Adams Ali Oshiomole, APC South-South Vice Chairmo Victor Giadon, State Chairmo for APC, Colonel Muse David, retired, and Pastor Saigi Ezeamu, plus other ogbonge leaders for APC. This story, they come to you from TMC TV and radio studios. Na Ambrose Agbonavare, they handle the camera for the production. Loretta Ojesele and I be the linear editor. And na Nosai Dele Ogbede, na produce this report. My name, na Omo Aluke, Ajakaye. Don't forget to your PVC na be your power. Not sell and give any politician on election day.